Hello there, my name is Bryce. We're gonna watch Darn David. Alright, here we go.
Don't say I don't know in a professional setting. You don't want to sound stupid, do you? Here are 5 better ways to say it
Hi there,
differently.
Mrs. Starr.
I'm not
Ready to go
certain,
shopping?
but I'll
Let's
find
go.
out for you. That's a great question. Let me double check and get back to you. I'll need... Kailangan ko meron ng Parker?
Darn David is mad.
I don't want to wear the seatbelt.
You have to darn David. If you don't wear a seatbelt, you won't be safe.
But I don't like it.
You still have to.
Darn David starts to cry. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Pay later. Pay.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Stop crying.
At the shopping.
May masamang credits.
Noong 2016 pala ay muntik nang bawian ng buhay si Barbie.
Let's go find the best toys.
Sure, nang siya ay
Okay.
may sakit din talaga ang stress sa puso at siya din ay mayroong epilepsy. Naniniwala po ba kayo ang mga sakit na ito ang
Darn David gets some cookies.
Wow. Yummy.
bawian ng
Carla Abelana emosyonal ang aminin ang katotohanan kay Tom Rodriguez.
I want the
Pinakita
bunny.
ni Carla Abelana ang emosyon ng aminin kay Tom Rodriguez
Wow.
ang tungkol sa kanilang anak. Sa isang panayam,
Okay
ibinahagi
then,
ni Carla
let's
na
go
matagal
then.
niyang
Wait a
pinag-isipan
minute.
ang
What is the
pagsisiwala.
darn David?
Ayon sa aktres, mahirap para sa kanya ang itago ang
Put that away.
katotohanan.
We are
Sa
buying
kanilang
toys,
pag-uusap,
not
nagkatuka si
cookies.
Carla habang
I want
nagkukwento.
cookies.
Sinabi niyang nais lamang niyang protektahan
I
ang
want
bata,
them.
kaya't hindi agad sinabi
I said
ang
no.
totoo. Nagulat umano si Tom, ngunit nanatili siyang kalmado sa pagtanggap ng balita.
Ha?
Salamatan ni Carla si Tom sa pagiging bukas at maunawaan.
Ha?
Ani Carla, malaking ginhawa ang naramdaman niya matapos ang revelasyon. Tumaan siyang magiging maayos ang kanilang samahan bilang magulang ng bata. Hiningin niya ang respeto.
Later, come back home.
Carla Abelana,
15 minutes later.
Darn David, you can come out
Hindi
now.
napigilan ni Carla Abelana ang kanyang emosyon ng aminin.
Darn David comes out.
Ang tungkol
I'm
sa
sorry,
kanilang anak.
Mom.
Sa isang
It's okay,
panayam,
David. Please don't ever throw a terrible tantrum again, because you are too old to do tantrums like this.
Okay. I will never throw tantrums like this again.
go.
Good. Here's the...
We love you.
Wow.
Segway.
Beep beep.
This is the best toy truck ever.
Nuki. Nuki. How do you pronounce
Good job. Well done, everyone. So, thanks for watching this video.
number
So, see you next time. Bye bye.